Good evening. Namaskar. আমি তোমাদের ভালোবাসি. Welcome back to day 2 of Natya Bharati's 30th anniversary Festival of Plays. Somebody said, my name is Meera Narasimhan. Thank you.
I'm not somebody.
Oh darn. Thank you to all of you who came out yesterday and made our first day a resounding success and continue to do so today. It's all of your continued support that has kept Natya Bharati alive for 30 years. We have grown multifold in the past couple of years under our current presidency, Adarsh Gupta and her team. She has grown our membership base exponentially, and she has insisted on infusing younger and newer blood into Natya Bharati. So we have a veteran theatre group, Ebong, that is performing for the first time for Natya Bharati. But I must warn you, this is in a language that is universally understandable in India because, of Hindi movies, Bollywood and all that. So it's going to be Hindi or English in this 2-day festival. So, the others, please don't be disappointed. It's an excellent play. You'll love it. And I think many of us will relate to it. It's all about our parents visiting NRIs. So we present to you, keep your fingers to yourself. Let me invite my colleague Madhuri so she can set it up for you. Thank you again. Madhuri?
Good afternoon and namaskar. We welcome you to the second day of the 30th anniversary. Before we start the play, a few housekeeping instructions. Kindly, no food or drinks are allowed inside the auditorium. No flash photography. And please, we have enough music in all our plays, so please have your cell phones, your pagers and beepers to a silent mode. Thank you. For all those interested, we have pictures and names of the entire team of Keep Your Fingers Crossed in brochure on page 21. The cast will meet you outside in the lobby after the show, so please refrain from coming to the backstage as we are setting up for the next play. Most of us NRIs have parents who are visiting us from India. In fact, my parents are here at this time. But not everyone is as lucky as mine to have a beautiful Natya Bharati family to welcome them. Many times, our parents are not exactly happy when their grandkids are in school, kids are at work, and they have to be alone in our American dream houses. Some of them are itching to go back and will come up with every kind of excuse. I know many of us have faced similar situations at home. Join me in finding out about one such family in this play, directed and written for Natya Bharati by first-timer Divyendu Paul, an adaptation of the premise in a Bengali story, Shed Pathoter Table by Sanjeev Chattopadhyay, and produced by Ebong Theatrics. The director would like to dedicate this play to all the parents visiting from India, and to Gurmi, the baby girl who showed up during this production. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your fingers to yourself.
leaving.
Leaving? Leaving for?
Mumbai.
Where?
Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Going back to Mumbai.
Papa, don't act like a child. Betho. Betho, Papa.
Rajni. Rajni beta.
Yeah, Papa.
6 हफ्ते. अरे, it has been 6 weeks since I left Mumbai by God. अपना घर.
Apna ghar? You don't consider this your home, Papa? And here I am, so happy you're here.
That is not the point, by God.
You don't like the Washington DC area?
No. Arey, the Washington DC area is very nice.
So you don't like this house?
वो नहीं बेटा, तेरा मकान बिल्कुल मस्त है.
हाँ तो फिर?
अरे, I called up all my friends in Mumbai. Huh? Hello, I'm staying within 30 miles of the Obama residence.
Miles, Shiles, huh, Papa? Too much.
Arey, they are all very excited. Huh? Now everyone in the building knows I'm staying so close to the White House.
You're incorrigible, Papa.
अरे, बिल्कुल बच्चन की गली में रहने जैसा फीलिंग है.
Oh no, Papa.
अरे, और I told them about the 3,000 square foot house here.
Papa, shh, don't brag. No,
क्यों नहीं?
don't brag. No.
क्यों नहीं? वो मुंबई शहर,
हाँ.
ऐसा मकान मिलता कहाँ है? हाँ? वहाँ तो दरवाजे से घुसे, 2 कदम बढ़ाया और
खत्म. बिल्कुल सही, पापा. क्या बात. बच्चन की गली. Too much, Papa. Too much.
लेकिन
हाँ पापा, बोलिए. लेकिन
मन नहीं लग रहा है बेटा. I should be going back home.
this is your home now, Papa. You took that long flight from Mumbai to Washington DC. याद है? कितना कंप्लेन किया आपने.
वो कहाँ complain?
फ्लाइट बहुत लंबी है.
वो तो है.
पायलट कॉपी करके पास हुआ है.
बिल्कुल.
एयर होस्टेस ने बादाम नहीं दिए.
घूस.
बाथरूम्स छोटे हो गए हैं और ईयरफोन्स के लिए भी पैसे मांगते हैं.
चोर है सब.
है ना? And now you're here, Papa. And I'm so happy you're here. Why? Why do you want to go back to Mumbai so soon?
So soon.
So soon.
So soon. Oh, it has been 6 weeks, Rajni.
Just feels like yesterday.
4 more weeks to go. 4 long weeks.
This is not the first time you're here, Papa. Last time you were here for 12 weeks.
Last time your ma was there with me. But this time it is difficult when I'm all alone by myself.
Ma left us, Papa. Ma left us. That's why I thought this would be good for you. Papa, Amit and I, are we falling short, Papa? आपको यहाँ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, Papa? आप comfortable नहीं हो, Papa?
नहीं बेटा, ऐसे नहीं सोचते, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है. हर चीज पे ड्रामा.
मैं drama. So many parents visit from India. They come, they stay with their daughters, with their sons. No one throws a big fuss like you, Papa.
Honey, they are all fussing inside, except no one is being vocal about it.
I heard that. Papa, problem क्या है? हाँ? Problem क्या है, Papa? It's not me, it's not DC, it's not this house. तो फिर problem क्या है, Papa?
I have nothing to do here. Zero. None.
मतलब?
Arey, the evenings are fine. I get to talk to you and Amit. But during the day, when you leave, I am all alone in this empty house.
Oh.
I go to the bedroom, beds made, laundry done, no one.
Oh.
I go to the basement, silence. ये basements होते किस लिए? अरे, why don't you keep a house guest?
Point पे आइए, Papa.
अरे, I go to the living room, no dust, no काम वाली. I go to the kitchen, even my morning cup is washed by God.
I do it for you, Papa.
You do everything, huh? You are the superwoman by God, and I am the villa, jobless, in an empty house all day long,
but you go out. Papa, you go out.
Yes,
Hmm.
I go out. I walk in the neighborhood. I see dog running. People running behind dog. Everybody says hi, but no one stops to hear my hi.
That's how it is, Papa.
तो हाय बोलते क्यों है? और तुम्हारी वो काम वाली
Maria?
अरे आती है तो डर लगता है।
Why?
अरे इतना मेकअप
So, what, Papa?
और मुझे नाम से बुलाती है और हम इतने कह दिया ज्यादा बात मत कीजिए
बात का पतंगड़ कोई आग से बनाना सीखे, हाँ पापा? And you क्या no life लगा रखा है, हाँ? It's not as if people are flocking to your flat in Mumbai, huh? Flocking?
अरे at least I see people on the street. I hear buses, cars honking, auto rickshaws, loudspeakers.
That's annoying, Papa.
And there are people. दूध वाला, अंडा वाला, चाय वाला, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस वाला, बैंक वाला.
Papa, that doesn't count. It's not company.
I need to see people. I shout at my maid. She shouts at me, but she does not sue. I need to see people.
But you don't like people.
Even if I don't like them, I need to see them. I need to hear noise. यहाँ तो it feels like a ghost town by God.
By God, na छोड़िए पापा. You're 69.
68. She doesn't remember.
You should be enjoying the quiet, Papa. Do puja, yoga, take long afternoon nap.
Well, I'm 68, not 90.
Watch TV, Papa. Watch your CNN, BBC, ZTV serials, Star TV, cricket channels, IPL.
उसने तो असली क्रिकेट की वॉट लगा दी.
Okay. How about all the magazines I get for you from the Indian store, Katrina, Papa? Magazines, huh?
फालतू magazines.
फालतू? Okay. How about Wi-Fi, Papa? कहाँ मिलेगा ऐसा Wi-Fi, huh? Watch whatever you want. CTV, Star TV, India Today, business news, whatever. Yeah.
फालतू channels.
This is not fair, Papa. You know, I have been leaving work early every day so I can be with you, Papa. Here I am, so happy you're here and you want to leave. Not fair.
I don't know what is going on in my flat in Mumbai. These days, if you leave your flat empty, they steal everything.
Your housing complex is fully secured, Papa.
By the time I go back now, बिल्कुल साफ.
There are security guards who are being paid for vigilance, Papa.
They.
Okay, Papa. वहाँ तो न कभी चोरी हुई है, Papa, और न कभी होगी, okay?
ठगी, घूसखोर सब.
Papa, fine. वो घूसखोर है, but how about Mrs. Sharma?
कौन है?
Mrs. Sharma, Papa, your neighbor. She's so nice. She keeps an eye out for your flat, Papa. Don't worry.
मिसेस शर्मा की तू बात ही मत कर.
क्यों? Huh? Why, Papa?
वो जब से मम्मी गई है तुम्हारी, हर दूसरे दिन घर आ जाती है. मिस्टर मल्होत्रा, आपके लिए बेसन के लड्डू पकोड़े बने थे, सोचा दे आओ. बने थे. वो रजनी, मैं क्या बेवकूफ हूँ, समझता नहीं मैं.
Papa, tell me you're not saying what I think you're saying, Mrs. Sharma. Too much.
She wants to rob me.
What?
She wants to rob me.
Papa, she doesn't want to rob you, Papa. She's a nice person.
No.
A good neighbor. Watches out for us.
She has always liked your mom's sofa and jewelry.
Sofa? Papa, she
She
doesn't
will
want
rob me.
Papa sofa
She is
jewelry.
going to rob
No,
me.
Papa,
You
she's
see.
not. Papa, stop it, Papa. Here, you are just looking for an excuse to leave. Here I am, so happy you're here and you want to leave. Not fair.
You have to understand one thing, Rajni beta.
And what exactly is that one thing, Papa?
I miss my associations in Mumbai. The Rotary Club, the Walking Club, the Laughing Club, the Talking Club, the Chess Club.
You don't play chess? Huh? Chess नहीं खेलते आप?
There is a limit to how long I can stay at my daughter's place.
How long you can stay at your daughter's place, Papa? Is that what you said, Papa? How long you can stay at your daughter's place? है ना, Papa?
Please, चालू हो
Daughter's
गई
place नहीं समझ रहे हो? A daughter's place, right?
You have to understand, Rajni. No, that is Amit. My God.
Amit? Papa? Amit? हाँ? Amit ने कुछ बोला आपको, Papa?
No.
हाँ, he said something to you. आप मुझे बताइए, Papa.
No, I did not say. No, I did not say that. I just don't know how he's taking all this. Hey, Amit बड़ा सुशील बच्चा है बेटा. बंगाली है, but nobody is perfect. He treats me like his own father. कभी ना दारू शारू भी पिला देता है.
So, problem क्या है, Papa? हाँ? What is your problem?
I'm not comfortable.
Why are you not comfortable? हाँ,
I'm not good.
अपना ये होटल है, Papa. ये होटल है. With you.
Should I call the fire department now?
Yes.
The fire department needs to pour some water on your wife's head. She is worried about everything all the time.
What's it this time?
हाँ, बताइए, Papa. बंगाली जमाई को. What is the problem?
Hey, Pitaji, what's it this time?
कोई problem
Okay,
no problem. बस थोड़ा पापा बेटा समझौता.
go for it.
अरे इसके बिना तो चाय भी नहीं उतरेगी.
बुढ़ापे में झूठ बोल रहे हैं अमित. बुढ़ापे. हाँ.
बेटी चाय.
चाय. अमित, आप अभी आए हो ऑफिस से, हाँ? थके होंगे. मैं आपके लिए थोड़े चाय और पकौड़े ले आती हूँ. आपके लिए. ओके अमित?
Okay, sounds good.
आप कोई 4 हफ्ता नहीं रुक सकते मेरे पास. एक बेटी है तो क्या हुआ? फायर डिपार्टमेंट बुलाएंगे मेरे ऊपर पानी डालने के लिए. किसके ऊपर पानी डालना है अगर पता होता ना तो बहुत मेहरबानी.
You calm down now, Rajni. So, how was your day, Pitaji?
So.
Yeah?
Good.
Hmm.
Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Tell me one thing, Amit beta.
Yes.
Hey, why don't you have a bathroom on this floor? I mean, you have 3 waste paper basket, but no bathroom.
Pitaji, did you go out for your walk today? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I did. अरे वो तो एक ही टाइम मिलता है बाहर जाने को. I will not miss that. But I came home early.
Early? Why? Were you tired? Were you exhausted, Pitaji?
नहीं बेटा. डर लगा.
Duh. Why would you be afraid? Pitaji, this is the Washington DC area. I mean, this is very safe. This place is wonderful, Pitaji.
Alabama में देखा. पुलिस ने क्या किया? अरे भेज दिया उसे अस्पताल, पैरालाइज्ड.
No, Pitaji. That was just a stray incident in Alabama. That shouldn't keep you from going outdoors, Pitaji, now.
वो बाहर पुलिस, तो घर में भी तो पुलिस.
Her name put
अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ बेटा?
Yep. Overprotective, isn't she?
Control. Control on her Papaji, huh? What if you fall sick, Pitaji? What if you get an upset stomach, Pitaji? What if you catch a cold, Pitaji? Wear slippers inside. Don't wear socks on the stairs. Don't do this in the microwave. बेटी नहीं है मेरी माँ है माँ.
But Pitaji, you got your medical insurance when you came here, right? So why are you so worried?
Go tell that to your wife.
I'm not doing that.
Don't do this. Don't do that. अरे झांसी दी रानी है वो. झांसी नहीं. Fullandi. That's who she is. Fullandevi.
You're telling me that, huh?
मनोज और रेशा के बिना घर बहुत सूना लगता है। घर में बच्चे होने चाहिए।
Yes, Pitaji, Manoj and Esha are in summer camps now.
समर क्या?
Yeah, Esha went to spelling bee.
बी बोले तो
Matlab, you know, this is where they teach young children how to spell difficult English words, or spelling bee कहते हैं.
और मनोज
Went to Math Olympiad.
खेल कूद
No, it's not about playing. क्या है ना, वो tricky math problems solve करते हैं.
वाह भाई वाह।
Yeah.
अरे मधुमक्खी काटते नहीं वर्ड स्पेल करते हैं, और बच्चे ओलंपिक्स में खेलते नहीं मैथ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। और बेटा
Yes, Pitaji.
ये सब कैंप्स सेफ है ना?
Yes, of course. Why, Pitaji?
I don't know. You know, when I was young, I used to go to the NCC camps,
Yeah.
the National Cadet Corps.
Yeah. So, आपका वो NCC वो safe था ना?
No, I did not like them.
Yeah.
It was too strict, too regimented, felt like concentration camp.
I see. But Pitaji, ये जो camps है ना, summer camps, I mean, spelling bee, math Olympiad, you know, these are very prestigious. They're nationally recognized, and they're very child-friendly and safe. So, don't you worry, Pitaji, Manoj and Esha are just.
So what do you think of the elections?
Huh?
Do you think the Aam Aadmi Party is going to come to power? Do you think Modi ka zamana gaya?
Actually, you know, I left India about 15, 16 years ago, kind of lost touch with politics. And you know, I'm an IT software engineer. ये politics से मेरा क्या लेना देना, पिताजी?
ये भी सही है. But what about Shah Rukh Khan?
Huh?
Who do you think is going to take his place? I mean, he's getting old. All the heroines wants a new hero, and that day I read कि उसका वो six pack सब नकली.
Yeah, Pitaji, but you're seeing me. I mean, I'm not that much into Bollywood movies. You know, I mean, don't get me wrong. I know who Shah Rukh Khan is. कई pictures भी देखे हैं, but I have no clue who will take his place, Pitaji.
Ranveer Kapoor.
Who?
I think Ranveer Kapoor is the answer.
Ranveer Kapoor.
अरे ऋषि कपूर का पुत्र वो दूर है. You read your magazines. I go back.
Can I ask you something, Pitaji?
हाँ बेटा.
You know, you have been here for what, like 6 weeks, and 4 more weeks to go. So why don't you try watching some local news? You may find them fascinating.
Fascinating.
Yes.
Fascinating, huh? I do catch some local news.
Good for you.
Police beating or killing minorities, legalizing illegal immigrant, कभी police chasing cars, और कभी Billy stuck in the tree. No, this is not news I find fascinating.
There's more to it, Pitaji. Okay, so how about watching some sports? I mean, there's football, there's baseball.
Football.
Yes.
Bunch of guys trying to catch a kaddu jaisa ball, and you call that football.
No, there's more to it now, Pitaji.
But baseball,
Yeah,
cricket जैसा दिखता है.
of course.
दिखता है, पर पूरी की पूरी innings गुजर जाती है. No run.
But that's the whole point, Pitaji. Oh, I'm
चाय अमित गरम चाय and pakodi. क्या बात, huh? Amit, easier milk for you.
Okay.
Huh?
Hey,
And I'm so happy you're here, Papa.
Rajini, Those pakoras sure look good.
है ना?
But their fries, though, are they good for Pitaji?
क्या मैं तूने भी बोल दिया अपनी बीवी की भाषा। अरे 2-3 पकोड़े खा लो तो क्या होगा, मैं उतना बुढ़ा भी नहीं हूँ।
ओके ओके खा लो 2 पकौड़ियाँ।
My papa. Okay. All right. So Rajni, since you made all the chais and pakoras, why don't I take care of serving them, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Here's some chai and some pakoras for you, Pitaji. Okay. All right. Go for the napkin.
Napkin.
And hi, my name is Amit. I'm your waiter tonight. Huh? your chai and some pakoras. Go for it. And the pakora and the chai. Hey, Rajni, did you hear from Manoj and Aisha? Are they doing okay?
Oh yeah. I mean, they called today morning and they were having a blast. They said hi and hello. They said yo to their favorite Nana ji.
Nice.
और बच्चों को मेरा प्यार देना। Hey, when will they be back?
What, like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
In a couple of weeks, pick up Pitaji.
I miss them.
Yeah. I miss my children too. Tell you what, you know, I had a very long day. And why don't I go inside and wash and get ready?
Okay.
Okay? And you guys take care now. Alright?
हाँ बेटा, तू you must be.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Go change.
Hey, no fighting. This time I am really going to call the fire department.
I'll try. Papa, you keep poking at the holes in my table. Why do you keep doing that?
तो यहाँ करने को है क्या? अरे what else is there to do?
मतलब?
अरे this is my favorite time pass. Finding holes in the table and poking my finger through it.
पापा एकदम ना बच्चे हो आप, मनोज और ऐशा की तरह. चाय पियो and use your napkin. Papa, why don't you try drinking tea straight from the cup? See, I'll show you. It's better this way.
Your way is your way, and my way is my way. And this is how many people in Mumbai drink their tea by God.
Okay, fine, Papa. ऐसे ही पियो, okay? Your desi style. But Papa, ऊपर चल के पीते हैं. अमित अभी आता होगा. It's getting late, Papa. Okay? चलो उठो.
So soon.
In a few minutes, okay, Papa? अमित अभी आ जाएगा, Papa. चलो ना.
जल्दी क्या है? अभी तो मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ, look American style.
हर चीज पे आर्ग्यूमेंट करना ही है ना पापा? आप समझते नहीं हो पापा. I have to go early. I have to get up and leave for work early, पापा. गांव में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं. चल.
क्या हो गया?
कुछ
जॉब में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं बेटा?
नहीं पापा.
वो बॉस के नाम कोई पंगा लेगी तूने? सही बता क्या?
नहीं पापा.
क्या
कुछ
चल
नहीं.
नहीं पता.
पापा कुछ नहीं हुआ है पापा. क्यों आप वारी करते हो? ऊपर चाय ले जाइए पापा. हाँ मेरा कहना मानिए ना प्लीज. चलो उठो उठो. लेट्स वाइंड दिस अप. गो अपस्टेयर्स चेंज करके फिर डिनर करेंगे. हाँ चाय ऊपर ले जाइए. उठो ना पापा. पापा उठो चलो. ओके.
I want to get up.
हाँ तो गेट अप ना पापा.
No, I really want to get up.
ओके पापा गेट अप. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू पापा?
But I cannot.
Huh? What do you mean, Papa? Huh? Huh?
I'm stuck.
Stuck? Stuck how, Papa? Papa? Huh? Huh?
I'm stuck to this place.
फिर शुरू हो गया पापा. हाँ पहले जैसे. No पापा, you don't have to be stuck here in Washington DC. हाँ 4 weeks. 4 हफ्ते में you're going back to Mumbai, Papa.
Stuck. That's not what I mean. I'm stuck. I mean I can't get up. I cannot get up.
Oh, yeah, Papa. You're having the bowel problem
नहीं
again.
इतनी गंदी कोई बात नहीं है.
You did it in your pants.
No,
Did you?
who accident नहीं होते हैं?
Why don't you wear your adult diapers all the time?
I'm wearing my adult diapers.
तो प्रॉब्लम क्या? अमित?
नहीं नहीं बेटा 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 अमित को मत बुलाओ बेटा बेटा नहीं अमित को मत बुलाओ.
क्यों?
He will not understand. He will be angry with me.
Why, पापा? पापा, क्या हुआ पापा? बताओ ना. पापा.
My finger is stuck in the table.
Say what?
My little finger
हाँ.
is stuck in one of the holes of the table.
You're right, पापा.
No, seriously. See, my pinky is stuck in the table. See.
That's okay, Papa. Just yank it out.
Yank मतलब
Yank, matlab, take it out, Papa. Get that finger out of my table right now.
I've been trying, but I cannot.
Cannot? Okay, don't worry, Papa. Rajni to the rescue, Papa. Papa, behave yourself, Papa. Cooperate, huh? Let me pull it out. Papa, stop it, Papa. Behave yourself. How? How did it get in there?
I don't know. I was just sitting here thinking of the good times I'll have with my grandkids when they come back from camp.
Papa, focus, Papa.
No. Madhumakhi spelling words.
पापा, अमित अभी आ जाएगा पापा, ज्यादा वक्त नहीं
बच्चे
है.
solving math in Olympic games.
पापा, सीधे दसो मेनू, ये हुआ कैसे पापा?
ठहर ना बेटा, धीरज से काम ले. थोड़ा चाय तो पी लेने दे.
पापा, how did your pinky get stuck in my table?
सब तेरी गलती है.
Really?
हाँ. If I had been drinking tea in my Mumbai style, I would be using both my hands. Then I wouldn't have the hands free to open the holes.
You're driving me nuts, पापा. हाँ? अब clean explain कीजिए. Your pinky, my table. How?
I don't know. I was just sitting here admiring this beautiful table. And in this beautiful table, I found the perfect hole. I started poking my finger through it.
Right. क्या कर लेते हो आप पापा? What am I going to do? अमित अभी आ जाए. But why is it stuck? Huh? You put it in. Why can't you take it out?
I could have.
Okay.
Actually, I could have.
But, Papa,
But I was having those pakoras.
pakoras.
The oil from the pakode got on my finger and acted like a lubricant.
Napkin.
No, it smoothened it, So when I poked my finger, it went right through it.
Why don't you use a napkin?
That's what lubricants are for.
Papa, that's what napkins are for.
तुझे याद है अपना वो मारुति गाड़ी कितना तेल डालते थे उसपे? That's what lubricants do.
Papa, ये क्या कर लेते हो पापा? My table. Oh my God, इसका क्या solution है? हाँ, कोई solution निकालना पड़ेगा. अमित अभी आ जाएगा. इसका क्या solution?
तू चुप कर. I have created the problem. I will find the solution.
You will find a solution? Huh? You will find a solution, Papa? तुसी ज़्यादा दिमाग में घोड़े ना दौड़ाओ, Papa. You will find a solution. इसका क्या solution है? हाँ, क्या solution है? बोलो.
है. Solution. इधर. वो इधर आ. Go. Check if there is still oil left from frying the pakoras. अरे जा चेक कर वो तेल बचा है कि नहीं. जा. Go.
Yeah. So?
Go check if the oil is cold enough. वो बेटा जा चेक कर वो तेल ठंडा हुआ है कि नहीं.
मैं समझी नहीं पापा. आप crazy हो.
Trust me, baby. I have a plan.
Papa.
I have a plan.
Papa. What
pour all that oil on my finger. Go get that oil and pour it all on my finger. वही 4 आदमी वो तेल ला और मैंने उंगली पे डाल. The oil is the reason why my finger is stuck, and that oil is going to set me free.
And I'm so happy you're here, Papa.
That oil is a saving grace now. To समझ तक क्यों नहीं?
Papa, ये टेबल खराब हो जाएगी, Papa.
My only is in danger.
No, Papa, that oil mark is never going to get on my table.
You can buy another table.
No, I can't. No.
What is more important to you, Nati? My only or the table?
टेबल उंगली पिंकी. पापा, ये टेबल बहुत महंगा है, पापा.
So my only is priceless. रजनी, बेटा, जरा सुन.
क्या है, पापा?
जरा सुन. Feeling hungry.
What?
Would you please pass the pakoras?
Papa?
Please, beta. I'm pretty stressed out by God.
You are stressed out, right? Right, Papa, you are stressed out. Look at me, Papa. You think I'm sitting here relaxing, Papa? You are stressed out. You?
भाई नहीं यार, स्ट्रेस से भूख लगता है और यहाँ बैठे बैठे मगज के घोड़े दौड़ाते दौड़ाते भूख लग गई. Would you please pass the pakoras? Please, please, beta. Wait,
नहीं, Papa. आप पकौड़े खाइए, Papa. पकौड़े खाइए. एक नहीं, 2 खाइए. खट्टे में क्या मेरा टेबल, Papa? नहीं, Papa.
What's going on here? Oh my goodness, this is so funny. No, I have to take a snap of this. Just turn this way, okay? Alright.
Amit, something has happened.
Hey, whatever has happened, you just move, okay? I have to take a picture of this and I'm going to email this to Manoj and Esha. They're great.
No, Amit, you don't understand. Amit, Papa is stuck.
Okay. Move. Just stay stuck for a few more seconds.
बेटा 2-3 पिक्चर मेरा फेसबुक अकाउंट पे डाल देना.
Okay, Facebook.
And then my Facebook friends will know what I'm doing.
Yep.
और बेटा 2-3 लाइन वो WhatsApp पे डाल.
WhatsApp भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है?
तो मैं क्या करूँ? ट्विटर बहुत छोटा होता है.
टूटा नहीं लगेगा. No, take one. Just move a little. This is so fun. A perfect Kodak photo.
Stop it, Amit.
This is so.
Amit, you don't get it.
No.
Papa's finger is stuck in our table.
Yes.
Come see. Papa's finger. Come, Amit. Papa's finger is stuck in our table.
What? Pitaji?
Huh?
No more photo taking. No photo. Oh, your finger is stuck. In that precious table of mine.
Yes.
How did you do that?
किसकी गलती है?
No. How did it get?
Amit, क्या करे?
बेटा lubricate.
No, hold on.
क्या करे,
Hold
पापा?
on, let me see.
No. Amit, stop it. पापा को लग रही.
Okay. Walk with me.
Okay.
All right, pretend you are at the dentist office.
मैं कभी dentist office
He's
गया
bad patient, Amit. No.
All right.
क्या करे?
You push.
You push.
You push it down. Push
हो
now.
जाएगा.
Push. Good. All right, and.
पापा को लग रही है. Amit, stop it, gentle.
Rajini, I say push the table. Why don't you push the push?
It's gonna be okay.
Just push, okay? Down.
Oh my God, पापा को लग रही है. Amit. What are you
Rajini,
doing?
are you deaf? Push.
Okay.
Just go for it one more time.
बेटा, can you please lift up the table?
Lift
Yes,
the table.
yes.
And do what?
Follow me to the bathroom.
ये टेबल बाथरूम में फिट नहीं होगी पापा।
तो मैं क्या करूं? बहुत देर से बाथरूम गया नहीं, and all that tension now wants to come out.
पापा, you're wearing your adult diapers, right?
इससे मजा नहीं आता है, खुल्लम
खुल्ला खुल्ला।
तो बेटा फिर बैकयार्ड चला जाए।
Backyard.
वहां तो कोई नहीं है बैकयार्ड।
Rajni, backyard. Pitaji, backyard mein there are neighbors and they're going to call the police on you.
प्लीज प्लीज तो मैं क्या करूं? माय फिंगर, आई मीन आई एम स्टक।
Stuck, stuck, stuck. I am sick of it, Baba. You keep saying that.
I told you I should have gone back home.
What does that have to do with this, Papa?
वापस चला जाता तो ये सब नहीं होता ना।
We haven't been torturing you, have we?
नहीं बेटा, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। I've been well fed, well taken care of. I am otherwise very happy. But I have no independence. कहीं जा नहीं सकता, किसी से बात नहीं कर सकता। I कभी sometimes I feel like I'm in a first class prison. अरे वो अन्ना हजारे गया था ना एंटी करप्शन फास्टिंग के लिए तिहाड़ जेल। नाउ समटाइम आई फील लाइक अन्ना हजारे इन तिहाड़ जेल।
Tihar jail?
Guantanamo Bay.
Guantanamo Bay now.
अरे minus the torture of course.
Okay. Pitaji, I will relieve your finger of your misery, okay? I will get that finger out of the table. No, Rajni. No Guantanamo Bay. No more Tihar jail in my Washington.
He just rambles. He doesn't mean that. देखा? हाँ? देख लिया? खुश? कैसे चले गए वो? What? अब क्या कर लेंगे वो अब?
No better. I have caused a lot of embarrassment and pain for you and Amit. But I don't mean it, Baba.
You don't behave like that, Papa. Don't. Tell me once and for all. What do you want me to do?
See, I've been trying.
Huh?
I have been trying.
Okay.
I've been trying very hard to fit in. But I don't belong here, beta. I don't belong here. Hey, I've been trying, but मन का क्या? अरे वो तो मुंबई में पड़ा हूँ. I don't belong here, beta. I don't.
क्या करूँ पापा? हाँ? What do you want me to do? बोलो. Send you where?
Send me and my ungli back to Mumbai where it belongs. Send me back. Set me free. Please set me free.
ठीक है पापा, calm down.
I am not going to pass here, okay? I will relieve you of your
हाँ थोड़ा.
Hold on.
निकल गई. वो बधाई अमित बेटा. निकल गई. अरे I am free. बेटा ये काट का एक टुकड़ा just like a finger, a ring on my finger. Can you please take it out?
Papa, even now you're worried only about your finger.
वो तो मेरा उम्र भी थोड़ा ज्यादा है ना, तो उस हिसाब से ये उंगली भी मेरे लिए एंटी की है.
That table is gone, Rajni.
I'm so sorry, Amit. I didn't realize it would end up like this.
The one and only kind of antique room furniture. Remember, we looked for it all over the country, and then finally in that trip in North Carolina, we had so much fun, and we won it at the Biltmore Estate at that auction, and that table is gone.
रिपेयर कर ले बेटा.
Repair. Pitaji, this is pure Burmese teak. This is a precious kind of wood. You don't get wood like this anymore, definitely not in this part of the world.
Papa, Amit paid पूरे $5,000. And that's not the point, Papa. This table means the world to him, Papa.
$5,000 और इतने सारे खड्डे। बेटा अमित बेटा तुमसे तो बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया बेटा। तू हट, $5,000 थोड़ा बार्गेन करना चाहिए। $5,000 दे दे इस टेबल के लिए, थोड़ा बार्गेन। पैसा इतना सस्ता थोड़ा ले लिया।
Stop it. Pitaji, I understand you didn't mean to harm my table, I get that. I know you didn't want to spoil anything in this house, but now, Rajni, of all the people in the world, you are one person who will not understand the real worth of this table and how much this means to Rajni and me. It's a big 5,000.
Amit, ऐसे नहीं बोलते।
Stop.
Amit, Papa.
Sorry, बेटा. I did not mean to do this. But कभी-कभी ना वो गलत काम गलत लोगों से हो जाता है बेटा, और वो भी गलत टाइम पे। तो सोच ले, ऐसी गलती मुझसे हो गई बेटा। I did not mean it. Sorry बेटा।
It's okay, Papa.
नहीं।
ऐसे नहीं कर, नहीं पापा, ऐसा नहीं
Sorry
करते।
बेटा, देख तेरे पापा जी is saying sorry to you.
Papa, not me.
बेटा।
Papa.
Rajni, look. Whatever was meant to be gone is gone. That table is not going to come back to shape, and that's all there is to it.
Amit.
No! Someone is responsible for this, Rajni.
Rajni,
जी पापा।
you please change my plane ticket. I want to leave tomorrow.
Papa, you can't make these decisions like this, Papa.
I will pay for the price difference.
That's not the
No,
point.
that is the point. I can't stay here anymore. I want to leave tomorrow.
Amit, look what is.
No, Rajni.
Look what is
No, Rajni. If I were you, I would let him go. He's not happy here. This is Guantanamo Bay. This is Tihar jail. He should go back to where he belongs. And stop. Let him.
Yes. Go. I want to go.
Okay. Fine, Papa. I'll do your tickets. You can leave next week. Okay.
Not next week. Not day after. Tomorrow. I want to leave tomorrow.
Calm down, Papa. Tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow. कल चले जाना. Okay, Papa. Don't be like this, Papa. Okay? Let's just deal with this later on. Huh? कल का कल देखेंगे. Amit, you haven't eaten anything since you came back from work, huh?
Okay.
चलो, let's have dinner.
All right.
पापा, आपने दवा नहीं ली, कुछ नहीं खाया. चलो पापा, उठो. हाँ, ऊपर चल के डिनर कर लेते हैं. कल का कल देखेंगे. Okay, पापा? उठो पापा. उठो. पापा, क्या हुआ पापा? हाँ, उठो. हाँ, उठो.
उठना तो है बेटा।
हाँ, तो उठो. हाँ.
तो कैसे उठे?
क्यों पापा? What happened? What? Huh?
I'm stuck.
What?
Now my left pinky is stuck in the table.
Amit! Amit! He's here, but now his left pinky is stuck in our table.
Pitaji, your left finger is stuck again. See?
By God!
I'll just take a minute to introduce the casting crew. Okay? Just give us a minute. The clock is ticking. Come on. Okay, there are more casting crew in the audience, but so far now. Okay. All right. Thank Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I hope you all enjoyed the first play, and so we will be having a short break for about 20 minutes before we reset the stage for the next play, which is Let Me Flow. I would just like to warn everybody, please keep your fingers to yourselves with the break. Thank you.